Hello, Chef here. I've got another mushroom garnish for you. I'll zoom in just a little bit here and show you what's going on. So first of all, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mushrooms here, and this one is the Tournai effect. Watch the previous videos, you catch that. This one, nothing's happened yet, but it's going to. This one, we're going to do something different. A couple garnishes for you. Real simple. First, I'm sporting this Kasumi utility knife. Wow, I like it. Very lightweight. So the first one is just a sliced mushroom. It's very simple. Keep your finger here as a guide and just go like this and cut them uniformly so that all the slices are the same. Okay, right there, sliced mushroom. Looks good, very simple. I'm sure you guys know how to do that.